Hey Fireball, you keep calling us out on showing the strongest table. Let's show the audience who really has the strongest table between Siegmund and Fireball. We challenge you to put up your strongest table against our strongest table. The tests are to be conducted by a third party that neither we nor you have any association with. And let's split the bill. You pay for half the tests, and we'll pay for the other half. These will be real day-to-day assessments where welders will put these tables through rigorous tests themselves, so the audience can finally hear honest, undoctored feedback. You keep calling us out on this 22 table, but then you're calling us out on having the strongest table. Hey, let's put the strongest table to the test. So the ball's in your court. If you're up for the challenge, we are ready. And hey, so people don't think that we're cheating, the tables would need to arrive at the agreed upon location within 1 week for storage until the tests begin. And since you're all about views, we'll also drop a car on each table. We'll do the gravel drop, and if we are legally able to, we'll do the famous Siegmund explosion. And look, if you are too afraid of this challenge, we understand. And if that's the case, we understand that this was just all for views. But if you're serious, let the social media audience know that you are ready, because we are ready.